In our last video, we looked at the overall bookings board. Now let's dive into what happens when you click on an appointment card. When you open a card, you get this detailed dialog with several collapsible sections. The first section is appointment details. This shows all the information the client provided on the main booking form. If you need to correct a typo or add information, you can click the Edit Details button to make changes directly. For quick access, you can also hover over any piece of information and click the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard. The next two sections, Estimate Form Details and Follow-up Details, will contain information if the appointment originated from your estimate form or your bonus link. This keeps all the data neatly organized based on its source. The bonus code section is where you can assign a unique one-time use code to this specific appointment. We'll cover how clients use this in the bonus link video, but this is where you create and manage that code. We will come back to this later. Next up is invoices. Here you can see a list of all invoices associated with this appointment. With a single click on Generate New Invoice, the system will instantly create a draft invoice based on your default settings, automatically linking it to this client and appointment. It is made in a way that you can quickly change invoice items, change prices if need be, and see what the total price would be. You can also add a discount to the invoice by putting a minus sign behind the amount you are typing, and it will just treat it as a discount subtract item and will be reflected on the total amount. In addition, with a click of a button, you can send the invoice directly to your client's email address that preloads here if an email address field is present in your booking form. You can also download the PDF that is generated. You can set up your default invoicing setting. We will cover invoicing page in a later video. Next is the attachments. The attachment section allows you to upload and view photos related to the appointment, like photos of a repair or a product or anything related to this client. Please note that due to security and safety reasons, you can only upload photos for the time being. This may change in the future. Finally, we have the admin comments section. This is a space for you to add notes or any internal comments about the appointment. This section is to take notes about this appointment if need be. You can also edit or delete these notes. At the bottom of the dialog box, you have your main actions. You can reschedule, send an SMS, send an email, or delete the appointment. When you communicate with a client through this SMS or email port, it's a one-way communication using our toll-free number. A history of these transactions will also appear right here.